Alright guys, today we are checking out Ollie the Octopus by Globe Electric. It's a cute little nightlight, multi-changing colors, soft silicone, kid friendly. Let's see how it does. Alright, safety instructions. There it is. Well, looks like we have Ollie the Octopus, the actual light itself. It's a soft, squishy silicone material. Brings itself back to shape. This is soft. The tentacles are a little bit harder. They move a little bit, but they're not dangerous or sharp or anything of that nature. Power button. And it looks like your charging port. Included is the small USB cable, but no power brick. So you'll have to use one of your old cell phones or an old electronic, whatever leftover you have for the power on this. Simple enough, power button. And from what I understand, you just tap the head to change the colors. Off. White, red, green, although it looks blue on the camera, purple, and I believe this should be the changing color setting. Although it's, yep, there it goes. Pretty neat, pretty cute, pretty simple. I guess tapping it on the table changes it as well. Feel kind of bad beating on this thing, but that's how you change the color. Let's turn the lights off. It's cute, it's simple, it's actually really bright for what I've expected. It seems to respond better to picking it up and dropping it. And there you have it. That's Ollie the Octopus. Alright, here's a demonstration of Ollie the Octopus nightlight. It is fairly bright. I can see in the room back here, which is the shower. I guess just the way the camera highlights the light doesn't really show it. But here's the light. When you tap it, it changes colors. We have white originally and then red, green, blue, and then it goes into a color changing mode where it just cycles through the various colors. Yeah, I will say it's a little bit hard to see on the video. It doesn't do it justice. It really is bright. It does light up the room, but it's a soft glow. So it's not overwhelming, it's not super bright, but it does give a nice ambience to the room and really functions as a good night light.